Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Photomath app. So all you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, just click on it. You come to apps list here, indeed you're looking for Photomath app, or just click on search. So then here add Photomath, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on for stop. You click here on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. You come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. You click here on Play Store, you just click on it. So then here you search for Photomath, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. As well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.